Okay, so I'm gonna go scare the kids. There's these bleachers outside of my dressing room, and I'm gonna go grab the kids' feet because I'm gonna scare them. It's gonna be really funny. Okay.
Teresa Thompson, how old are you?
13, 12 years old.
How is it to be for you, Simona, like this?
Oh my god, amazing! Oh my gosh, it's gonna be of my life! Oh my gosh, that was what's amazing!